Good morning, students. Today we will study class 3rd, chapter number 6, MS Word 2010. What is MS Word 2010? Program such as WordPad are used to type and edit text on a computer. Such programs are called word processor. MS Word is another such popular word processor. It is a part of Microsoft Office package development by Microsoft Corporation. What is word processor? When we are used to type anything in the MS Word, it is known as anything to type, or you want to edit anything, you can do in MS Word. After that, today we will discuss here six topic which I have written. You can see first one is starting MS Word 2010, second title bar, third one ribbon, file tab, document area, and rulers. Number one, what is your the first topic is starting MS Word 2010. If you want to start MS Word 2010, what you have to do, first of all, click on start button. This you can see, this is your start button. After that, you have to click on all programs. Click on all programs, then you have to click on Microsoft Word 2010. Microsoft Word 2010, you can see it is Microsoft Office. Click here, then you can see Access, Excel, many options are there. You have to open Microsoft Word 2010. Okay, open it from here. This is your Microsoft Word 2010. This is the way you can open the Microsoft Word 2010. Now there are many keys you can see here. This is number one. First one is your quick access toolbar. Where is your quick access toolbar? This one at the corner upper side, you can see this is your quick access toolbar. Okay, this is your quick access toolbar. After that, this is your file tab, and this one where it is written paste, cut, copy, and format painter. This is your known as ribbon. After that, horizontal ruler. Here you can see this is your cursor, or if you want to arrange here header and footer, there are many useful things you can see here. After that, what is our second topic is title bar. What is title bar? The title bar is present at the top of the screen. Where it is present? At the top of the screen. This is your title bar. You can see the reddish line which is opened here. This is your known as title bar. The title bar is present at the top of the screen. It displays the name of document and the program name. It has a quick access toolbar on the left. The quick access toolbar has shortcut icons for the most commonly used command such as undo and save. The title bar also contains minimize, restore, down, maximize, and close button. You can see the title bar. This is your undo and redo key. After that, the program which is opened here, you can see on your title bar. After that, this is your cut, this is your maximize, and this is your minimize. See, this one is minimize, this one also minimize. If you want to open, this one has been opened, this is maximize. Okay, you have to see this one is your maximize key. And after that, the minimize button reduce the screen to an icon on the taskbar. You can you have seen just now that minimize button reduce the screen. The restore button makes the screen smaller than before. When you click on the same button again, the screen return its original. If you want to restore, then restore button is this one. This is smaller in size. If you click on this, it will be in your normal size. After that, the close button close the MS Word screen. If you click here, your MS Word option will be closed. See, this has been closed here. Okay, your MS Word option has been closed when you have clicked on your cut option. After that, the second one is ribbon. Where the ribbon has two parts, tab and group. Each tab has command arranged in many group. When you click on a tab, it opens display command in different group. The minimize the ribbon button on the right minimize the ribbon display only the tab clicking on it. This is your minimize the this will minimize. Okay, this will minimize your tab button. Okay, this is your ribbon. After ribbon and display, only the tabs clicking on it again expands the ribbon back to a normal. After that, where is tab? These are all tab: file tab, home tab, insert tab, page layout, reference, mailing, review and view. These all are tab you can see. Okay, these all are tab. After that, this is your paragraph group, in which paragraph you want to write something. If you want to write, if you are writing something, in which system you want to arrange. Okay, this is your paragraph. This is your font. You can see it is also written here, font paragraph. This is your font group, and this is your paragraph. Okay, you can see. After that, what is our next topic? Our next topic is title bar ribbon. Our next topic is file tab. What is file tab? A file tab is present on the left corner of ribbon. It has commands such as print, save and open. If you want to click on file, there are commands you can see: save, save as, open, close, new, print, save and send, exit option. If you want to open any command, you can open from here. There are many files which I have made. See, you can see the files. These all are files. If you want to open any file, then click on it and you want to open it. Okay, after that, this is your file tab. The next topic is our document area. What is your document area? The document area is the blank white area which is used to type text. This blank white area is known as your document area, which is used to type any text. If you want to type anything, you have to type here only. Okay, after that, our next topic is your rulers. What are rulers? There are two rulers, horizontal ruler and vertical ruler. There are only two rulers. You can see the horizontal ruler and your vertical ruler. Okay, this is your this you can see header from top and footer from top, insert, alignment, close header and footer. Okay, this is your horizontal. There are only two rulers. What is the horizontal ruler? Is present at the top of the document area. It is used to set left and right margin. जो हमारा horizontal ruler है वो टॉप में रहता है, एट द टॉप, बिल्कुल टॉप में horizontal rule. आफ्टर दैट, at the top of the horizontal rule, then and it is used to set left and right margin. After that, the vertical ruler is present to the left of the document area. It is used to set top and bottom margins of the page. और जो vertical ruler रहेगा वो हमारा top, this one, and bottom, this area will it is used to set. Okay, in our next class we will discuss next topics, and you have to read this chapter. I have given the worksheet of chapter number 5th. Complete it. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.